Welcome to the project demonstration of missile detection and automatic destroying using laser gun. So here we are going to detect the missiles with the help of the ultrasonic sensor, the sonar. So here one system will transmitter and another is a receiver. So it will transmit the sonar ultrasonic waves, and whenever the obstacle is presents in front of this either missile or obstacle, then the receiver will receive the reflected sound waves from the surface of the so-called object, and based on the duration the system will calculate the distance of the so-called object. So if it is in the within the limit, like we set the limit for 15 centimeters for the demonstration purpose. Whenever the so-called object is below the 15 centimeters, then the microcontroller will switch on the laser, and this system will rotate this ultrasonic sensor at a degree of rotation of 180 degrees. And here for that rotation we are making use of the stepper motor, and this stepper motor interfaces to our PIC microcontroller, that is PIC 16F72 microcontroller, through the A0, A1, A2, A3 pins through this ULN2803 motor driver, the stepper motor driver. And coming to the ultrasonic sensor interface at B0, B1, and laser interfaced through this transistor board to the C3 pin. And also we have one more LED indication on this motherboard, so it will indicate it parallelly whenever the laser get switched on. And coming to the main power source to the whole system is from this adapter. So this adapter will take the input of 230 volts and it will provide the 5 volts constant regulated power supply. So when we provided this main source of voltage to the microcontroller, start reading input from the input sensor like SR04, and also controlling the output modules of stepper motor and laser gun through this transistor. So coming to this motherboard, so this is a capacitor. After regulation also there will be some spikes. In order to utilize the spikes, we are making use of this 1000 microfarad capacitor, and this is the reset switch to restart the microcontroller. And this steel plated one is crystal oscillator to provide the 20 megahertz oscillating frequency to our PIC microcontroller. Why? Because we provided some set of instructions like reading the distance of the object and switch on the laser and control the stepper motor direction. These are the instructions provided in the microcontroller in embedded C language. These instructions will be executed line by line whenever it get the clock pulse. One clock pulse equal to one line will be executed. So as parallelly we are providing 20 megahertz oscillating frequency so that it can execute 20 mega instruction set in 1 second. So let us see the demonstration. After switch on the kit, we can see that there will be a LED indication of 2 times on and off, and better to reset and place this position like this. Okay, and now so it's start rotating. Whenever the object is detected, then the laser as well as the light will on till the object is down. Right. So based on the object detection, so it will slowly rotate. Whenever it is whenever it detect the object, then it will check for twice and then take a decision to on the laser.